Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to download and install Minecraft maps. Open your browser, search free Minecraft maps, click a site, and browse the maps. For example, let's pick this one. Click it, download the map, and wait for it to finish. Extract it to your desktop. Type run, enter %appdata%. Hit OK, click quote.minecraft, quote comma, then saves, and move the map there. Open Minecraft and you'll see the new map. Now you can play it. That's all, folks. This is Wyler. Like and subscribe. Have a great life. Good luck and see ya.